today's video, I'll show you how to use the 3 best websites to earn $400 in an instant simply by browsing the web. How great is that? The websites featured in this video are all safe, reliable, free, and legal. They're also accessible from any place on the planet. To make this happen, all you have to do is open your smartphone or computer and follow all the things listed in this lesson. I need you to keep watching to the end to fully understand how to use the websites and gain money as quickly as possible. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Plug, where we connect you to anything that will help you earn quick money online. On this channel, we love to give away free money, and we're giving away $100 worth of gift cards in Target, Walmart, and Amazon to 10 lucky people once our channel hits 15,000 subscribers. To enter this exciting giveaway, I need you to follow the exact instructions and the unique code that are given in the middle of this video. So make sure you watch until the end to know the exact approach. Now, just before we dive into the tutorial, smash that thumbs up button if you like this kind of content. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. Now, let's jump right into the video so I can show you everything. The first website of the 3 is called joinupvoice.com. And this is how it looks on your screen. Simply by spending time on other websites that they recommend is how this software compensates you. For instance, they'll pay you to visit platforms such as YouTube, Amazon, Facebook, Twitter, and other websites. You can learn how to use this program by scrolling below. It says here that after signing up, you should install Upvoice because it is safe and won't slow down your browser. After that, you'll need to browse and keep doing what you've been doing online. Finally, when you visit their social media feeds, you will earn money. You will earn points on the website, and it will be up to you to convert those points into gift cards or cash. On this website, they sell a range of gift cards. Among the gift cards they offer are Amazon gift cards, Uber, Visa, Adidas, Walmart, and Nike. When you arrive at this website, the first thing you should do is create a free account. To do so, simply click the blue sign up button above, and you'll be taken to this page. This is where you can select your preferred way of registration. You have the option of signing up with Google, your Microsoft account, or Yahoo. For example, if I select Google, I will be directed to this page where you must provide information such as your full name, relationship status, birth month and year, gender, country, and city. Then to agree to the website's terms and conditions, click these 2 buttons. Finally, click the Submit button to finish your creating joinupvoice.com account. Now that I've shown you how to join up a free account, I need you to download their app to your smartphone so you can start earning points and converting them to cash on sites like YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, Amazon, Facebook, and many others right away. The second website I'll show you today is called brave.com. This is where you can make money online without performing any extra work. This platform is, once again, legitimate, secure, and free to use. Basically, this is a private browser that works similarly to Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, and you may use it on any device you own, including your phone, laptop, or computer. To go through the features of this website in greater detail, you'll see that it claims to be 3 times faster than Google Chrome. Additionally, you can see that they have privacy shields that prevent data collection and tracking ads, which is wonderful. You may also learn how to earn Brave rewards by watching your favorite content producers on sites like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and more. By visiting such platforms, you will be rewarded with tokens that can be exchanged for gift cards, cash, and other items. You must scroll up and click the Download Brave button to install this program. After that, you can begin utilizing their browser to earn money by performing any daily activity. Keep in mind that the more activity you engaged, the more points and money you will get, so make the most of it. Now it's time to move on to the third and last website that pays you money, and it is called qme.com. This is how the website looks, and it's from here that you can express your thoughts, shop, and search to earn real money incentives. I'll discuss all these activities later in this video, so make sure you watch all the way to the end. As stated below, this platform is available on both the App Store and the Google Play Store. Because you have two devices that work, you will almost certainly quadruple your revenue after you download the program on your smartphone. Furthermore, if you download QMe on your phone, you may use it anywhere, which means you can earn money anywhere you go. Isn't that fantastic? The main source of income on QMe.com is the same as it was on the previous two platforms. And this is done by going to many various websites like Facebook, Amazon, YouTube, and others. You will gain points on the two previous websites, but you will earn actual cash in an instant on this one. That is what distinguishes this platform from the others. In addition, taking surveys is also a major source of income on this platform. You may also read here about how you can get cash back on wonderful products and have a bit more money in your wallet at the end of the month. Finally, you may get discounts on the world's most well-known brands, which is amazing. Now, just before we go any further, if you've enjoyed the video so far, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to be entered to win $100, make sure to watch until the end of the video to find out the code word to enter and win. But for now, it's time to get back to work and continue making money. To continue with our platform, they work with Mashable, MSN, CNN Money, Forbes, and others, making it respectable and trustworthy. However, before you can start earning money on this site, you must first establish an account. To do so, go to the top of the page and type your email address in the box provided. After that, create a password and accept their terms and conditions by clicking this button. Finally, to successfully establish your own account, click the Sign Up button. Make sure to check out all of the available offers on QMe.com after you've made your brand new account. You can start earning money on our site right away by answering surveys, shopping, and browsing the web. Once again, join Upvoice.com, Brave.com, and QMe.com are the three best websites that pay you to browse the internet. Combine these three to increase your earning potential and instantly earn $400. And that sums up today's tutorial. Now onto the giveaway. If you want to be entered to win one of 10 $100 gift cards, all you need to do is subscribe to our channel, like this video, and comment the code word Money Apps. And you'll be entered to win once we hit 15,000 subscribers. It's that easy. And if you would like more chances to win, there are more code words in other videos on our channel. So be sure to watch some of our other recent uploads if you want a better chance of winning. Once again, this is Online Money Plug, teaching you the best and easiest methods in making money online. For more content like this, go on and check out my other videos too, so you'll maximize your results in making that big pile of cash straight into your accounts.